In this lesson, you are going to create attribute definitions. Attributes are data structures designed to store non-graphical information. In this office building example, you will create attributes to store employee names, room numbers, and department names. Open the Office Plan 1 project file. This pair of stacked rectangles will be used as a frame to hold the visible and invisible attributes that you are about to create. Select the Insert tab on the ribbon and click here to define attributes. Each attribute must have a tag and a prompt, and an optional default. Tags are entered in all capital letters. Let's begin by creating a last name attribute. Type LNAME as the tag. Press Tab to go to the prompt. Then type a descriptive prompt such as employee last name. There won't be a default name here, so we'll skip over this option. Set text justification to be middle center. Use the lettering text style, and use a text height of 0 and a rotation of 0. Make sure to specify the insertion point on screen, and click OK. Use Object Tracking and Object Snap to locate the attribute definition right at the center of the top box. So track a line down vertically and track a line over horizontally from the midpoints of the rectangle, and then click right here to set the position. Define a second attribute by pressing Enter. This one will be the room number. So let's type the tag name RMNO. Press Tab to move to the prompt, and then type room number. The default will be 1500. Again, choose Justification, Middle Center, and leave everything else at the default. Click OK, and place this attribute definition centered in the lower box. Both of these attribute definitions are visible by default. Let's create a third attribute definition that will be invisible once it becomes part of a block definition. Go ahead and define one more attribute, and this time use the tag name DEPT. Press Tab and type Department. The default department name will be General. Click Invisible over here in the Mode area. Set the justification to Middle Center and click OK. The actual location of this attribute isn't as critical as the other two because, after all, it will be invisible. Let's click a point tracked up from the midpoint of the rectangle, right about here. Before these attribute definitions can be used to store data, they must be defined within a block. You have defined both visible and invisible attributes. Go ahead and save your work as Office Plan 2.